What's up guys, it's the Butcher, and today I'm going to do a bike check. So this is my 2019 Trek Marlin 7. Start at the front. 27.5 inch Bontrager wheels, Bontrager XR2 tires. They're just stock. Mostly everything is stock. Everything is stock on this bike. For suspension, we've got a 120 millimeter RockShox XC30 with lockout and adjustable preload. For brakes, we've got 160 mil Tektro hydraulic brakes. I'll go up to the cockpit. So up at the cockpit, we've got Shimano Altus shifter, Tektro hydraulic brake levers, whatever these stock lock-on grips were. And then same over here, it's a 3x9. Another, whatever, same thing as the other side. This is an aluminum frame. It's Trek's Alpha Silver aluminum. It's very light, don't have any problems with it, pretty stiff. It's a nice frame. For the front derailleur, we have a Shimano Mega 9 light. Powering this 3x and Shimano cranks and stock pedals. I did put some sheet metal screws in there for extra grip because I'm too cheap to buy new pedals. We got a Bontrager saddle and seat post. Same thing on the back for the tires and rims. Now for the derailleur, we got Shimano Acera 9-speed. The wheels are quick release, front and rear. A nice bike, pretty much stock, but it's nice and I hope to upgrade it in the future. It's a great platform to build on. Alrighty guys, we got some riding footage on the 2019 Trek Marlin 7. Trails are closed, so just gonna ride around my place. I'm gonna start by going to the backyard. Shifters feel very nice, they're nice and clicky. Bike climbs very nice. It's got a good low gear. Not sure how many tooth, but it's a nice cassette. I've had so many flat tires on this thing just because I'm not very good and I get pinch flats a lot. And I tried to go tubeless, but it didn't go as planned either. Whew. I need to get a Butcher sticker to put on this thing. But that was my bike check. Be sure to, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, or don't, I guess, whatever makes you happy. So this is my 2019 Trek Marlin 7. I love it, and it's a fun bike. See you guys next time. Peace.